Hello. About 10 years ago, Žiga Avsec was a physics student taking a crash course in genomics through his university module on machine learning. He was soon working in the lab that studied rare diseases, on a project aiming to pin down the exact genetic mutation that caused an unusual mitochondrial disease. This was, as he calls it, a needle in a haystack problem. There were millions of potential culprits lurking in the genetic code and so many variations in the code that could wreak havoc on a person's biology. Of particular interest was so-called missense variants, which are single-letter changes to the gene that result in a different amino acid being made within a protein. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins, and proteins are the basis of everything else in the body, so even small changes can have large and far-reaching effects. There are 71 million possible missense variants in the human genome. Only 2% have been categorized as either pathogenic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.